Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to look at private Instagram accounts and what steps you need to follow to do it the right way, so you don't fall for fake tricks. Now, let's get started. Method 1. Step 1. Open the Play Store or App Store. This is important because you need to make sure your Instagram app is up to date before continuing. Step 2. Update the Instagram app to the latest version. Updating ensures the app runs smoothly and that all features work correctly. Step 3, open Instagram and make sure you're logged in with your account. Without logging in, you won't be able to access profiles or their followers list. Step 4, go to the public account profile you want to check. Simply search their name and tap on their profile to open it. Step 5, tap on the followers option near the top section of the screen. You'll find it next to the number of posts and following count. Step 6, view the complete followers list. Here, you can see all the users following that account without any restrictions. Method 2, view followers of a private account. Step 1, open Instagram and go to the private account's profile. You can find it by typing their username in the search bar. Step 2, tap on the follow button to send a follow request. This is the only legitimate way to access a private profile's content. Step 3, wait for the account owner to accept your request. Once they do, you will be able to see everything that's visible to their followers. Step 4, once your request is accepted, tap on followers to view their followers list. Now you can see who follows them and who they follow. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful tech videos.